Yeah, hello and welcome to our today's webcast. I'm very happy to see you and that you took the time to join us and are interested in our brand new DPS app. First, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Kevin Plugger. I'm the second Kevin by Simova. At Simova, I will function as a consultant since 2 years, but today I take over the role of the moderator. Yeah, Max, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Max Krampe. I'm a marketing partner and sales manager for Simova for over 3 years now. And yeah, I'm very glad I can show you the new functionalities of the new DPS app today.
Thank you. Okay, the question, what are we gonna to show you today? Today we will show you what we can do with our brand new DPS app. Some of you already know our DPS portal or even our DPS app. We have bought some new things with the new DPS app. I would like to show you the most important of that. One-page design, it's the first point. This is called today's the modern swiping. You can swipe up, down, or on even the right or left side to view some special informations like invoices or some orders. The second point, widget design. The widget design, for example, from the iPhone, from iOS, where you can display different information like the weather data or current news in individual fields. The mobile dashboard can be configured separately from the DPS portal and with different information can be displayed. If you already using DPS, you will like this feature. You can activate the app view with just only one click. Yeah, finally, it's very easy to integrate some security measures like the Face ID or the fingerprint. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the chat. We will answer the questions in the question and answer session after the live demo. Okay, that's from my side. Let's start with the live demo. I play the ball to my colleague, Max.
Yeah, thank you, Kevin, for your introduction. Let's move right into the live demonstration. And for that purpose, I will share my phone screen here, as we can now see my iPhone here. And I will now jump right into the DPS app and take the role of an employee of the Adatum Corporation. And I now log into the portal of the Kronos that is provided to me to have different functionalities like order management or receiving my invoices. Here we saw on the login page that we have already integrated the Face ID feature, so I don't have to write my credentials here, and I can use the security functionality of the iPhone or Android phone I'm using to log into the portal. And here we are presented with a dashboard of our portal. This can be configured dynamically. What you want to display here, you are free to choose what you want to display. We have decided to display on the front page the product catalog and a calendar functionality. And if I now swipe down, we will see the new one-page design Kevin already mentioned, as you can define pages and display different information on these pages. In our example here, we have the order management in the top. We have the finance management where you can access your invoices, your credit memos, etc. in the middle part. And if I swipe another time, we have the master data management where I can adjust my master data as the employee of the Adatum Corporation and sync this back to Kronos. We can, for this example, jump right into the invoice here. And as you are already familiar with the DPS app, you can just open your invoice here. You can scroll down, see all the invoice information, and also can download your invoice here. We can see in my example here, I'm Mr. Otto of the Datum Corporation. I can see my invoice here, can save it to my device, and I can always access my invoice whenever I want and download it to my device if it's necessary. When I now move back to the first one page, I can dive into the product catalog, and here we have another example how our new app will look. If I scroll down here, we will see that the table called Antwerp is a new item that is provided to me. It is displayed in bold text, and also the tag new is displayed, which directly visualizes that this item is a new one. And if I'm interested in that, I can have a look at the information and order it if I want to. In my example now, I want to order the chair named Berlin now. So I click on it, I adjust the amount. I want to order 2 of these chairs. I put them in my basket. I choose my shipping address here, which is the Datum Corporation in the Montpellier house in this example. And the item has been placed in my basket. I can now view my basket here. I could see other things in my basket if I had other shipping addresses here. In this case, I have only one item in my basket and I want to order it. I can add a comment if I want to. I will not do that in this example. Click on OK, and the order has been sent to the Kronos. I now do the switch to Business Central and take the role of an employee of Kronos who is processing the orders that have been placed in the portal. I'm now on the role center for a DPS user, and if I now click F5, we see that this number has gone up from 5 to 6 as we have received a new order from the portal. And we can now see the newest order on our list here. And what we can do now is we can, with one click of a button, execute this order and create the order right in my Business Central with all the information provided in the portal, which is the business partner, which is the Datum Corporation, which item has been ordered, the amount that has been ordered. Everything is filled directly, and I can create the order. I can display my new order. And as we can see here, a new sales order in my Business Central has been created with all the information from the portal. And I can now move on with the process here. I now move back to my DPS app. I can also access the calendar functionality. So if I want to display delivery date, for example, in a calendar, I can do that in this tile. That was it from the DPS app itself. As the topic of this webcast is the new branded app, we can just dive into the App Store and search for Simova, and we will be presented all the branded apps that Simova has delivered to the iOS App Store already. As we can see, we have several branded apps already here for our testimonial partner Berlin Recycling, but also for other companies. And we can also see how these branded apps apply to the corporate design of the companies like the Nielsen or KS Recycling here. And if you want to display your portal, if you are a DPS customer, to your end customers in your corporate identity, it is very easy to do so because you can just use the DPS app we have just shown, and we can brand it to your corporate identity. And that's where I jump to the next slide. This at the cost of only, for Europe, it is 6,000 euro once, which is basically only a very short amount you would pay for creating a complete brand new app from scratch by an agency or something like that. And with that, you can present your customers a way where they can access a portal, in your style, under your name, and you don't have to use anything else. If you are interested in an individual presentation of DPS, where we can also show the desktop version on the normal browser, where you can also adjust the styling, etc., directly from Business Central, feel free to book a DPS demo here on by simply scanning the QR code and choosing your desired time slot. And with that, the live presentation is over. With that, I would like to give the word back to Kevin.
Okay, thank you, Max. Yeah, we have now reached the end of our presentation and are now available for the question round. So please tell us your questions. So writing. So I think we have made a good job. Yeah, at last we would like to remind you that on the 6th of November, we will hold our next webcast with the topic integration of the Power Platform in the Simova extensions. And we'll thank you very much for your time and attention. Goodbye and see you soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.